In this video, I'll show you how to factory reset your Brother HL-L2405W printer. In case you're having issues with it, maybe you want to resell it or for any reasons really. So first of all, make sure the printer is turned on and we need to go on the screen right here. Press the up arrow. Press it again until you see initial setup on the screen. Then press OK. You're going to see reset. Press OK once more. And now we have multiple choices that we can navigate using these arrows. We have factory reset, what you probably want to do, but you also have network reset that will only reset the Wi-Fi network and will keep all the other settings. You have machine reset that will reset everything but the Wi-Fi settings. And again, factory reset, you have these three choices. Let's do a factory reset. Once you see this, press OK. And you'll need to confirm to make a reset by pressing the down arrow once, like that. It will ask you, do you want to reboot? You need to press yes. So again, press once more on the arrow down. You just have to wait, as it says here. Usually it takes just a few seconds. Let's wait a bit more. The screen will go dark, as you see, nothing appeared, and then the printer will power on by itself. You just have to wait another like 20 seconds and you'll be good to go. The printer has been fully reset. You see, ready. Thanks for watching. If you want to get this printer or some ink, toner, paper for your printer, check my Amazon affiliate links down below. Every time you go through them, I get a very small commission and you support my channel. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.